Hello, good morning, children. Thursday, 21st. My volume of right circular cylinders. Yesterday, I completed question 1 to 6. Now, today, I go for question number 7th of worksheet 6. A rectangular sheet of paper is rolled along its length to make a cylinder. The sheet is 33 cm long and 32 cm wide. A circular sheet of paper is attached to the bottom of the cylinder formed. Find the capacity of the cylinder so formed. Find the capacity of the cylinder. Capacity. So this is a rectangular sheets. It is rolled along its length. ABCD is your rectangular sheets which is rolled along BC. So length of rectangular sheet is 33 and breadth is 32. A rectangular sheet is rolled along its length. Then circumference of the base. When it is rolled, it becomes a cylinder and its circumference of the base becomes length of the sheet. So length of the sheet is 33. It means 2 pi r is equal to 33. From this circumference of the base you can find r, because we are going to find volume. To find the volume we have to given pi r square h, radius and height. So from this circumference we find a radius 33 upon 2 pi, 2 into 22 upon 7. This 7 becomes 11 2 ja 11 3 ja 7 3 ja 21 upon 4 centimeter your radius. Height is given 32. Your breadth will be your height and length will be your circumference of the base. From this circumference of the base you can find radius. So therefore volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Cubic unit 22.7 into 21 upon 4 into 21 upon 4 into 32. 4 4 jar 16, 2 jar 7 3 jar 22, 3 jar 66, 21 2 jar 42. 66 into 42 is equal to 2772 cubic centimeter. Now in your questions find the capacity. So here now we know that 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter, or 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So now this your answer will be to divide this cubic centimeter by 1000. It is equal to 2.772 liters. Your answer. So in this way we can find the capacity of this. So don't forget it. 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter, or 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 liters. So to convert cubic centimeter into liter, we divide the given number by 1000. So this cubic centimeter is converted into liters. Now next question number 8. Two solids of right cylindrical shape are 49 centimeter and 35 centimeter high, and their base diameters are 16 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively. One is here height h1 and h2 are given. h1 49, h2 35, and base diameter r1 is equal to 8 and r2 is equal to 7. Both are melted and molded into a single cylinders 56 centimeter high. Find the base diameter. So here these are two cylinders whose height and diameters are given. Height is your 49, diameter is your 16, your radius will be 8. For second, height is your 35 and base diameter is your 14 and radius will be 7, and both the cylinder both are melted and molded into a single cylinder. This will be single cylinder. Its height will be 56 and find its diameter. So first find radius, and diameter will be 2 times of radius. So h1 49, h2 35 centimeter, r1 16 upon 2 is equal to 8, r2 14 upon 2 is 7, and h is equal to 56. This is the height of single cylinder when it is melted and molded into a single. Now volume of big cylinder is equal to V1 plus V2. Volume of first cylinder plus volume of second cylinders. So pi r for capital R and H, radius and height for capital R1 and H1 for first cylinder, and R2 and H2 radius and height for second cylinders. So by taking pi as common, pi cancels, r square h is equal to this one, or r square is equal to r1 h square r2 square h2 upon this height. So now r1, this is 8 into 8 into 49 plus 7 into 7 into 35. So what is common here? 7 is common here. So taking 7 is your common, cancels 8. 64 into 7, 7 into 35. This is equal to r square is equal to 693 upon 8 is equal to 86.625, or r is equal to square root of this is equal to 9.3 centimeter. This is your radius, and diameter will be 2 times of radius is equal to 2 into 9.3 is equal to 18.6. In this way we can find the diameter of this. Now next question 9th. The volume of a metallic cylindrical pipe is 748 cubic centimeter. Its length is 14 centimeter. Length means height, and its external radius is 9. Find its thickness. To find its thickness, we have to find here internal radius. External is given. Let the internal radius be r1 centimeter. R2 is given. So in this question, metallic cylinders height is given 14 centimeter and in external radius is 9 centimeter. Find internal radius first, then find its thickness. What will be the thickness of this metallic cylinders? So here volume of metallic cylinder 748 cubic centimeter, height 14 centimeter, external radius r2 9. Let internal radius be r1 centimeter. So volume of metallic cylinder is equal to pi r2 square h minus pi r1 square h. 748 is equal to pi h common r2 square minus r1. So r2 square 9 square minus r1 square. So 9 square minus r1 square is equal to 748 upon this is equal to 17. 81 minus r1 square 17 minus r1 square is equal to 17 minus 81 minus 64 minus cancels. 64 get 8 square, or r1 is equal to 8 centimeter. Thus thickness is equal to r2 minus r1 is equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 centimeter. Now next I go for 11th questions, but before 11th, one question is homework. The volume of a metallic cylinder is 150 cubic centimeter, pi cubic centimeter, and its height is 6 centimeter. Find the area of its total surface and lateral surface. What will be the total surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus h, and curved surface area 2 pi r h. To find the total surface area and curved surface area, we have to find its radius and height. So height is given and volume is given. From this volume and height, first we can find radius. So pi r square h is equal to, it is given, substitute there and find here r. If you find r, then h is also given, then total surface area is equal to 2 pi r h, 2 pi r into r plus h square unit, and lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi r h square unit. Now I go for last. The curved surface area of cylindrical pillar is 264 square meter and its volume is 924 square cubic meter. Find the diameter and height of the pillar. So here curved surface area 2 pi r is equal to 264 square meter. Volume of a cylinder pi r square h is equal to 924 cubic meter. From this curved surface area, first we find here h. H is equal to 264 upon 2 pi r. 2 pi into 22.7 into r. So 22 is 44, 7, 42 upon r. H is equal to 42 upon r. So substituting this value, h is equal to 42 upon r in volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. So from here you can find first r. Pi r square h is equal to 924. 22.7 into r square into 42 upon r. 1 r 7 925. So r is equal to, this is equal to 7. Thus diameter is equal to 2 into r is equal to 2 into 7 40 centimeter, and height is equal to 42 upon 7. Substituting the value of r is 776 centimeter. So do questions 10, worksheet 6, and revise algebraic identity worksheet 5, 6, 7, and brandages of identities for test